Hello and welcome to WPKlik's YouTube channel. Today we'll be talking about something very important, and that is creating your first WordPress blog post. As you probably know, WordPress is the world's biggest blogging platform, and for many good reasons too, but most importantly because it makes blogging so easy and fun. So let's take a look at some basic steps in creating an awesome blog post. The first thing to do before writing down your post is to set categories and tags. Head over to your dashboard and look for Posts. Click on Categories and type in the name of your category. If you want to add a new one, click on Add New Category. Don't worry about the slug field, that one will fill itself. You can also edit an existing category simply by clicking on Edit below the category name. Another thing you can do here is to use parent categories and then add several children categories. For example, if your parent category is news, your children categories can be events, updates, entertainment, and so on. To add a child category, type its name under the parent category and pick the desired category. Complete the action by clicking on Add New Category. This subcategory will be shown on the right with a dash in front of it. Let's move on to tags. Again, a very straightforward process. Click on Tags, located in the Posts menu, just below the categories. Type the name of the tag you want to use and click on Add New Tag. To edit an existing tag, simply click on Edit below its name. Change the tag name in the slug, then click on Update to save the changes. Now that we covered tags and categories, let's see how to add the actual content of your blog post. Click on Add New in the Post section. A screen similar to the page editor will open up. Start by adding your title. Note that a permalink will appear below the title field. On the right-hand side of the screen, there will be a panel with different post types, all of which are very clear, like standard, aside, image, video, quote, and so on. Check the box next to the one you want to use and select the category as well. The tag section is located just below. To add a tag, simply start typing its name and the whole tag will appear automatically. Click Add to use the tag you want. Another option is to go with one of your most used tags by clicking on Choose from the Most Used Tags option below the input field. Now that we've taken care of that, it's time to add a featured image, which is an image that will appear together with your blog post on your website. Scroll down to where it says Featured Image, click on Set Featured Image, and then either use one from your media library or upload a new one from your computer. Complete the action by clicking on the Set Featured Image icon. With everything set up, the only thing left to do is actually write your blog post. Once you're done, click on Publish in the top right section of the screen. You don't want to leave anything to chance, so make sure to click on the permalink below your post title to see what your blog post really looks like. In case you want to change something about your post, just go back to Edit. By the way, you can do this whenever you want. Just click on All Posts, find the post you want to tweak a little, and click on Edit. This wraps up the basic steps in creating an awesome WordPress blog post. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more information on this topic, check out the description and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.